Hello everybody. So once again I welcome all of you to our maths class. That is our online mathematics class. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഓണത്തിൻ്റെ 10 ദിവസത്തെ അവധിക്ക് ശേഷം നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുമുട്ടുകയാണല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഓണമൊക്കെ നന്നായി ആഘോഷിച്ചെന്ന് ഞാൻ കരുതുന്നു. പല കുട്ടികളും എനിക്ക് വീഡിയോസും ഹാപ്പി ഓണം ഒക്കെ വോയിസ് മെസ്സേജായിട്ടും എല്ലാം എൻ്റെ ഫോണിൽ എനിക്ക് അയച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെ എല്ലാം അയച്ച എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും ഞാൻ ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടെ എൻ്റെ ഓണാശംസകൾ നേരുകയാണ്. അതോടൊപ്പം എല്ലാ പേരൻസിനും. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും ഈ 10 ദിവസം നിങ്ങൾ കളിച്ചും ചിരിച്ചും മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ വീട്ടിലൊക്കെ പോയി നിങ്ങളുടെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മയുടെയൊക്കെ വീട്ടിലൊക്കെ പോയി ഓണമൊക്കെ നല്ലപോലെ ആഘോഷിച്ചെന്ന് ഞാൻ കരുതുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ വീണ്ടും നമ്മുടെ മാത്സ് ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് തിരിച്ചെത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ once again welcome all of you to our maths class, and we already started the chapter numbers up to 1000. In that only one class we finished numbers up to 1000. So remaining sessions we have to study in this class, that is numbers up to 1000. We are dealing the numbers from 200 to 1000. In that class we studied the number, how to write the number names of a 3-digit number, how to represent it on a place value chart, and we already studied how to represent the 3-digit number on an abacus. So that all things we studied. So we have to study the remaining parts in this class. So let us start the class. So we already started the lesson numbers up to 1000. In the first class we studied how to write the number names, how to represent a 3-digit number on an abacus, and how to represent it on a place value chart. That all things we studied. So now in this class we are going to study the place value and face value of a 3-digit number. The place value and face value of a 3-digit number. And we already studied how to find the place value of a 2-digit number and a 3-digit number. And now in this session, in this chapter, we are studying the face value also. So I think all of you know what is the place value, how to write the place value of a 3-digit number. So once more we will look how to write the place value of a 3-digit number. So place value, I told you in that class also, place value changes according to their places. Place value changes according to their places. So we will look how we will find the place value of a 3-digit number. So I am writing here one number 743. 743. So now we will look how to write the place value of these numbers. So here in the ones place, for a 3-digit number there are 3 places. For a 3-digit number there are 3 places. So first we will look which number is in the ones place. Tell me. 3. Yes, 3 is in the ones place. So what is the place value of 3? What is the place value of 3? It is 3 itself, because 3 is in the ones place. 3 is in the ones place. So place value of 3 is 3 itself. And what is the place value of 4 here? What is the place value of 4? 4 is in which place? 4 is in which place? 4 is in the tens place. Which place? 4 is in the tens place. So how we will write the place value of 4 here? What is the place value of 4? Place value of 4 is 40. Place value of 4 is 40. So next the last digit is here 7. That is 7 is in which place? 7 is in the hundreds place. 7 is in the hundreds place. So how we will write the place value of 7? How we will write? Tell me, all of you tell me. How we will write the place value of 7? Yes, it is 700, because 7 is in the hundreds place. Because 7 is in the hundreds place. So we wrote the place value of 743. 3 is in the ones place. So we wrote the place value of 3 is 3 itself. And 4 is in the tens place. 4 is in the tens place. Then we wrote the place value of 4 is 40. 4 tens or 40. Then last digit, that is the hundreds place digit, is her 7. So what is the place value of 7? 7. Place value of 7 is 700. 7 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 7 is 700. Now we will look how we will write the face value of 743. Face value. What do you mean by face value? Face value. Face value of 743. In 743, what is the face value of 3 here? 3 is in the ones place. 3 is in the ones place. What is the face value? Face, F-A-C-E, face value. How we will find the face value of a 3-digit number? That is, face value of a number is that number itself. Face value of a number is that number itself. So, what is the face value of 3? Face value of 3 is 3 itself. Face value of 3 is 3 itself. And what is the face value of 4? Face value of 4 is 4 itself. 4 itself. That is, it is very easy to find the face value of a number, because face value of a number is that number itself. That number itself. And what is the face value of 7? 7 itself. The face value is 7 itself. So, I told you, place value. Place value changes according to their places. Place value changes according to their places. And face value doesn't change. It will not change. Face value of a number is that number itself. Face value of a number is that number itself. It will not change according to their places. But place value changes. There are some parents told me you have little bit confusion how to write the place value. How to write the place value of a number. When I am taking the first lesson, that is numbers up to 200, there also we studied the place value of a 2-digit number and how to write the place value of a 3-digit number. In that chapter, we only studied the numbers up to 200. So, in this chapter, we are studying from numbers up from 200 to 1000. So, the place value of that number and face value of a number also we are studying here. So, place value changes according to their places. In this first example, I thought you have you clear the doubts. So, 3 in place value 3 of place value of 3 is 3 itself, and 4 is 4 tens or 40. Place value 40, 4 tens or 40, and place value of 7 is 700. That is, 7 is in the hundreds place. That means place value changes according to their places. But face value doesn't change. Face value of a number is that number itself. By looking certain examples, I will clear your doubts and we will very much understand how to write the face value and place value of a 3-digit number. So, now we will look certain examples. So, now we will look certain examples of how to write the place value and face value of a 3-digit number. So, I wrote here certain numbers and we have to write the place value and face value of the underlined digit. In each number, I underlined one number. One number I underlined. So, we have to write the number place value and face value of that underlined digit. We have to write the place value and face value of that underlined digit. So, here first question is, first number is 840. So, I underlined here the 8. Number 8 is I underlined here. So, what is the place value? First we have to write the place value of that underlined digit. So, what is the place value of that underlined digit? What is the place value? 8 is in which place? Tell me all of 8 is in which place? 8 is in the hundreds place. 8 is in the hundreds place. So, what is the place value of 8? What is the place value of 8? 800. Place value changes according to their places. Place value changes according to their places. And tell me what is the face value? Face value will not change. Face value of a number is that number itself. Face value of a number is that number itself. So what is the face value here? Tell me, all of you tell me, what is the face value of 8? Face value of 8 is 8 itself. Face value of 8 is 8 itself. Face value is very easy to write because face value of a number is the number itself. So tell me next, the question is, next number is 712. 712. So what is the place value? What is the place value of 1? Here I underline the number 1. What is the place value of 1? Tell me, all of you. 1 is in which place? 1 is in the tens place. So place value of 1 is 10. And face value 1 itself. Face value 1 itself. So we wrote the place value and face value of 1 in 712. 1 in 712. 1, I underline the number digit 1 here, and place value of 1 is 10. 1 tenth or 10. That is it is in the tens place. So the place value is 10 and face value is 1. And next digit number is 654. 654. So what is the place value of 5? I underline here the digit 5. 5 also is in the tens place. So place value is, tell me, all of you, 50. Place value is 50 and face value 5. Face value is 5 itself. Face value of a number is that number itself. Next number is 523. So what is the place value of 5 here? Yes, 500. 5 is in the hundreds place. So place value is 500 and face value, it is 5 itself. Last digit number is 486. 486. What is the place value? Tell me, all of you. 6. Because 6 is in the ones place. Because 6 is in the ones place. So the place value is 6 and face value, it also 6. Face value will not change, and here 6 is in the ones place, so the place value also 6. So I think all are understood how to find the place value and face value of a 3-digit number. Now we have to study the expanded form of a 3-digit number. Now we have to study the expanded form of a 3-digit number. Then we already studied the expanded form in that first chapter. So I think all of you know how to write the expanded form of a 3-digit number. So now we will look certain examples of expanded form. How to write the expanded form of a 3-digit number. So I am writing here first number 624. So how we will write the expanded form of 624? How we will write the expanded form of 600s? 600s plus, how we will write 2 tens plus 4 ones. This is the expanded form, or we can write this way also. 600 plus 20 plus 4. 600 plus 20 plus 4. That is 600s plus 2 tens plus 4 ones. That is the whatever things we studied in that first chapter, numbers up to 200, that all the sessions we have to study in this chapter also. And that is ascending order, descending order, before number, after number, expanded form, place value, and abacus, all the things we have to study. Here only the difference is we have to study the numbers from, we are dealing the numbers from 200 to 1000. That is only the difference here. So we wrote the expanded form of 624 as 600 plus 20 plus 4. 600 plus 20 plus 4. One more example. 708. 708. How we will write the expanded form of 708? How we will write? Yes, 700 plus, here in the tens place is 0. So we will write here also 0. And in ones place the number is 8. 700 plus 0 plus 8. That is the expanded form of 708. Expanded form of 708. So we wrote the expanded form of a 3-digit number 708, that is equal 700 plus 0 plus 8, and the expanded form of 624, that is 600 plus 20 plus 4. So I think all are understood how to write the expanded form of a 3-digit number. Now we will look a short video of place value, face value and expanded form.
Hi friends, let us understand the meaning of place value and face value of a digit in a given number. In a number, different digits lie at different places. That is, at ones, tens, hundreds. The place value of a digit in a number is the digit multiplied by its respective place, whereas the face value of a digit in a number is the actual value of the digit. Let me take a number, say 365. This is represented on me like this. The digit at ones place is 5. Its face value is 5. And the place value is 5 into 1, that is 5. Digit at tens place is 6. Face value of 6 is 6 itself, whereas the place value is 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60. Digit at hundreds place is 3. Its face value is 3 itself. Place value of this digit is 3 multiplied by 100, which is 300. In the same manner, you can find the face value and place value of each digit for different numbers. The number 835 is represented on me. Fill the given blanks by dragging the numbers and then dropping at the correct places. Hello friends, I am going to tell another way of representing a number. That is, representing a number in expanded form. The expanded form represents the number as the sum of the place values of each digit. Let me take the number 635. This can be represented as, I know that the place value of 5 is 5. For 3, it is 30. For 6, it is 600. Now, the expanded form of 635 is 600 plus 30 plus 5. Following the same method, you can easily expand any 3-digit number.
Now we have to write that there is in exercise, there are certain problems like this. 10 more than 456. How we will write this answer of 10 more than 456? 10 more than, that means number 10 more than 456. That is, we have to add 10 with the 456. What is the answer of 456 plus 10? 456 plus 10. 10 more than, we have to find 10 more than 456. 6. So 6, 6, 4. That is 466. So 10 more than 456 is 466. Then next we will find there is one more type of questions like 10 less than 834. 10 less than 834. So 10 less than means from 834 the number less than means what calculation we have to do? We have to minus 10, subtract 10 from 834. Subtract 10 from 834. So here number is 428. 824. 10 less than, we have to write the number 10 less than 834, that is 824. 824. There are one more type of questions like 100 more than 726. 100 more than 726. 100 more than. So we have to add, tell me, we have to add 100 with 726. We have to add 100 with 726. What we will get? 628. So what is the answer? Answer what? 826 is the number. 100 more than 726. 100 more than means we have to add that 100 with the given number. Less than means we have to subtract. Less than means we have to subtract the number 10 or 100 by the given number. So next is 100 less than 432. 100 less than 432. How we will find the number 100 less than 432? Yes, we have to minus. We have to subtract 100 from 432. 100 from 432. That is 2 here, 3 here, and 3 also. 3 again, 3 also here. So the number is 332. So the number is 332. More than means we have to add. Less than means we have to subtract. This only the question is this type of questions only in exercise. So I told you how to do this type of problem. There is 2 or 3 questions only in the exercise. You have to do that type of questions also. Now we have to study the before, after and between number. This also we studied, we are studying from first standard onwards, before, after and between number. So here the difference is we are dealing the numbers from 200 to 1000. So here I wrote some questions. We will write the before, after and between numbers. So first question is dash 720. So we have to write the before number. We have to write the before number. So before 720, what is the number? What is the number before 720? Tell me all of you, what is the number before 720? Yes, 719 is before 720. Then next question is 634. Then we have to write the next number, that is the after number. Before number is a number that comes just before a number. After number is the next number. After number is the next number. So what is the next number of 634? Yes, it is 635. It is 635. So what is the number between 520 and 522? Between number is the number that lies between two numbers. The number that lies between two numbers. So what is the between number of 520 and 522? Tell me all of you. Yes, it is 521. It is 521. Next we have to write the next also we have to write the before number. So what is the before number of 834? What is the before number of 834? Yes, 833 is the before number of 834. So before, after and between numbers we already studied in the first chapter, and here the numbers from 200 to 1000 we are studying. We will look for examples also. So now we will look certain examples of before, after and between numbers. The first question is 600 dash. So we have to write the after number of 600. We have to write the after number of 600. What is the after number of 600? 601. After number of 600 is 601. Then what is the before number of 960? Next question is dash 960. That is, we have to write the before number of 960. What is the before number of 960? 959. 959 is the before number of 960. And next is 389 dash 391. So what is the between number of 389 and 391? Tell me all of you. 390 is the before between number of 389 and 391. And last one also we have to write the between number. 506 dash 508. 506 dash 508. So what is the between number? Yes, 507 is the between number of 506 and 508. So I think all are understood how to write the before, after and between number of a 3-digit number. So you have to do the exercises and you have to do more problems, then you will understand how to do this type of problems. So in this class we studied the place value and face value of a 3-digit number. How to find the place value and face value. Place value changes according to their places and face value remains the same. Face value of a number is that number itself. Face value of a number is that number itself. Next we studied the expanded form. How to expand a number. How to write the expanded form of a 3-digit number. And last we studied how to write the before, after and between number. That is, we are studying from first standard onwards the how to write the before, after and between number. Before number of a number is the number that comes just before a number. That comes just before a number. And after number is the next number. After number is the next number. And between numbers is the number that lies between two numbers. The number that lies between two numbers. And the examples also we studied of the same. So I think all are understood today's class. So you have to do the worksheet, that is the exercises. You have to do the exercises. Worksheet I am giving as the exercises, textbook exercises. And you have to write the notes also. And I think all are doing well. So stay home, study well, take care, bye bye.